Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying hardware compatibility and preparing your system. First, reboot and enable Intel VTX or AMD in BIOS. This lets the hypervisor run virtual machines efficiently. Once done, free up or partition at least 20 GB disk space and ensure you have roughly 8 GB RAM available. These resources prevent slow VMs. Make sure to back up critical files before proceeding. Then download your chosen virtualization app and the guest operating system ISO so you can move immediately into VM creation. Now you create and configure the virtual machine. Open your hypervisor, choose New VM, pick the correct guest OS type, and point to the ISO image. Assign CPU cores and set RAM to between 4 and 8 GB depending on host load. Create a 20+ GB virtual hard disk and select NAT or bridged networking based on whether you want internet sharing or direct LAN access. Install the guest OS normally. Once installed, add guest editions or VMware tools to enable drivers, clipboard sharing, and better display performance. Finish by optimizing and locking down your virtual machine. Take a snapshot so you can roll back, add shared folders for file transfer, and tune CPU/RAM limits to avoid starving the host. Apply guest OS updates and antivirus, and disable unnecessary pass-through like USB or GPU for security. If the VM fails to boot, first confirm virtualization remains enabled in BIOS, verify the ISO checksum, and review hypervisor logs for device errors. If networking is the issue, switch between NAT and bridged modes and restart both host and guest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.